Hi, this is Chris Webb with WebbinR, and I'm just going to show you a brief tip on how to load your data in R using RStudio. It's as simple as using the command data with parentheses, and you can see that the data actually all lines up here, and you can just select one. I'm an economist, so I'm going to pick economics. I'm going to hit Control Enter. It will run it. You can see that it will run it because it comes down here in the console where it has the command actually ran, and you can see that it loads up here. Now keep in mind that sometimes the data will take a while to load, so I'm going to load a different one. Let's do economics long. Give me a minute here and run. You can see here that it says promise. So it'll take a while for some of the data to load, but because I've been loading economics a couple times, it's actually already here locally. But keep that in mind, that if the promise comes up, it doesn't necessarily mean that the data is not being loaded. Just give it a little bit of time and it will load. I'm going to go ahead and pause so we can come back and see the data loaded. Okay, that took quite a while, and you can see why, because there's 2,800 observations of the 4 variables. And again, if I just wanted to take a quick look at that, you just click it. It gives you the command view economics long, and it will show you date, variable, value, and value 0, 1. So it shows you what is in the data set just by clicking on it, or you can also use the view and then add in the data set here. So in this case, economics long, and that'll allow you to see what's in there. One additional tip that you can do is if you write the $sign afterwards, you're able to see all the variables that are in the data set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that is confirmed over here where it says 6 variables in the global environment. Thanks so much. If you guys like these videos, continue to give us the thumbs up and just continue to watch our videos.